This year I started to feel the summer tingles over the long 4th of July weekend. Our garden is exploding with renewed life, and there is so much abundance. It can feel excitingly overwhelming. Nature's medicine is everywhere. I love spending time with the different plants and feeling their unique energy and signature imprints. I find so many variables among the wildlife. For instance, sitting with Black-Eyed Susan this year has been a very different experience so far than sitting with her at other times throughout the years. I find this to be true with all nature's creatures, even humans. We are ever evolving species, and while some aspects might stay consistent, other aspects change. Daisy is my childhood favorite flower and my soul imprint flower. She connects me to what I call my soul's essence, as does my spirit animal, deer. While sitting with Forget Me Not, I reconnected with another childhood animal totem, grasshopper. Grasshoppers bring me innocent joy and curiosity. I enter the world of wonder and bewilderment. I do this with frogs and turtles too. I grew up catching them and romping around their habitats. I feel comfortable and at home in these environments as they are my landscapes too. So far this summer in New England, we've had several sporadic thunder showers, which has added an element of joy to these summer days. There have been many rainbows and cozy moments of reading while the rain cleanses and cools the overly hot days, restoring ease and even hope. It's always my intention to trust life more than my thoughts or anybody else's. And focus on the beauty and the blessings. I, of course, have stressful moments and feel the hardships of our world, yet I choose to supply enchantment, health, play, and connection to the best of my abilities. It helps to be surrounded in nature's constant loving presence and be reminded of all of life's supporting companions. All of life is contributing to the whole, helping every moment restore balance, peace, and harmony. Summer keeps showing me how life continues to flourish, even during destruction. And this, too, gives me faith.
What are you doing?